Hi, welcome to my website, FS Friend, your trading partner. Yes, my name is Friend Chen. This is a kind of a new concept. You want to be success? Then responsible trading is the last step of your trading success. Well, I shouldn't say last step, but I say last step is because if you go to all the trading, online, offline, pay or free, all the strategy, after they teach you all the strategy, the last section, they will tell you, you must be disciplined. They will tell you how to become a discipline. All right, blah, blah, blah. And you just think, okay, I learned something. The strategy looks really good. But when you put it in reality, when you really trade, you don't make money, right? Everybody have the same experience. Then you go back to the educator and say, hey, it's not working for me. The educator said, no, it worked. Look at this. You make mistake. You make mental mistake. They say you make mental mistake. If you're disciplined, then you can make money. They never tell you to be disciplined first and then tell you the strategy. They give you the strategy first and then discipline the last. Why? Because they know everybody come to them looking for strategy. They don't look for discipline or mental game, those things, right? Of course, later, now you probably look for that. And then you search everything, try to become a disciplined trader, which is not going to work. Discipline won't work in trading. Well, maybe you say, no, it worked for me most of the time. Well, most of the time, it means not working. Discipline in trading must be 100% of the time. Why I say that? Let's assume you can double your account many, many times, which means you make 100% many, many times, which is good, right? It's difficult to achieve. You get great achievement. But what happens if you lose one time 100%? You become ground zero. Well, maybe not. You cannot lose 100% at one time. You lose few times of 50%. Your account will become really, really small, right? So why you do that? Why you lose that fast? Think about this. Think about your experience. That's just because this one time or two times you're not disciplined. You don't put stop. You let the market go against you for really, really big, and then you lose, right? So most people are not disciplined, and some people discipline most of the time. And I tell you, discipline won't work. Why? Why discipline won't work? Ask yourself, what's the reason you want to become a trader? Well, you want freedom, right? You want to be your own boss. You want to do your job whenever you want to and wherever you want to. You do not want to go back to your office. You don't want somebody to watch you, to assign a job to you. You come here looking for freedom, want to be your own boss. Of course, you want financial freedom. Everything, all the reason you come to trading is because you want freedom. Now we say you need to be disciplined. Right? The mindset is totally different. Who can be disciplined? Military people. Right? If you go to military, you know you need to be disciplined. And also when you go there, you join the army, somebody watch you. If you're not disciplined, they punish you physically hard, then train you to be disciplined. That's the only way you can be disciplined. In trading, you're on your own. You're free. Nobody watch you. Right? If you don't do well or you're not disciplined, of course, you suffer financial issue. And then you probably punish the war. You don't punish yourself. You punish the war. You blame on somebody else. That's the reason why discipline not working. Is the whole setup is not right for you. So what worked? Responsible trading. Well, responsible trading. Interesting term, right? What's that mean? Well, I say that people are responsible. It's because they know their future. You must know the future to become responsible. You must know the future. This is a term. You must know the future to be responsible. Why I say that? Well, when we grow up, we all go to school. Why we go to school? Because we know if we study hard, we get better education, we will have a better future. We know that, right? It's almost a sure things. Everybody get good education, will get better job. It means better future. And when you have your job, graduated from school, you have a job, you know you must work hard, you perform your job, you take responsibility, which is to do your job well, then you will get a good paycheck. If you work harder, you get a bigger paycheck because you get promoted, right? So if you don't work hard, you will get fired. You don't have no job. So everything you do responsibly is because you know the future. Now, the problem is when we come to trading, do we know the future? Do we know where the market go? Do we know the future of the market? Well, there's many part of the future you should know in trading. Or you already know. Well, that's different between you want and you know, right? Everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to make money, but nobody knows if they can make money, really make money. But a few things, you know the future. You can set up your trading time. That's you know you get to work. You know you need to protect your account. How you protect account? Set stop loss. Make sure you every time you lose 7%. Let's say 2%. All right. Before I told you, no matter how many times you double, if you lose 100%, you become ground zero. But now you know the future is because if you set 2% risk, every time you lose a trade, you lose 2%, right? The other term is you still have 98% of your money in your account. 98%, no matter how many times you lose, every single time you lose, you keep 98% of your money in your account. You're never broke, right? So you know those things. Now, the hardest part is, do you know the market? And most people don't even know what moved the market. What moved the market is most important. If you know the market and you know your percentage, your winning percentage, your win-lose ratio, you pretty much know the future. You know, you cannot be 100% right. So you maybe know 7 out of 10 times. That's good, right? You know the future. But how do you know the market future? Well, knowing the market future is another section. But now I can give you a clue. Maybe you're saying, well, you just bullshit, another bullshit. No, just come to Trading View, follow me, look what trading, all right? You follow me, and I have done this for about 3 months. I do daily analysis every morning, 6 to 6:30. I will do daily analysis. You go back to check all my daily analysis, see how accurate I do. And that's why I know the future. And you can follow me, look what trading, and also I invite you, that's a free, to join my free live trading review section twice a week. Twice a week, I do this. You can ask me a question. I'm going to show you what moved the market. That's important. If you don't have no idea what moved the market, you have no clue about where the market will go. So if you like my video, please share it and give me a thumbs up. And also join my free live trading. Thank you for watching, and see you in the live meeting room. Bye now.